relax and suit. Check out the new dance move I invented for the town dance tonight. The Rustified Robotic Running Man 3000.
Cool move, Rusty. Wait, where's that music coming from? It's coming from Mr. Higgins' alley.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Higgins?
Just back here cleaning up the alley, that's all.
Wow, you really dress up when you sweep.
It looked like you were dancing.
You caught me. I'm practicing for the dance tonight. I told Ranger Anna we'd dance together, but I'm a terrible dancer.
Aw, that can't be true. I bet you're a great dancer. Let's see what you got.
Okay, but don't say I didn't warn you. Ready, Anna? I was supposed to go right, not left. Oh! Ah! See, I just threw Ranger Anna into a pile of boxes.
Maybe you're just nervous.
Yeah, just relax and you'll do great.
Oh, I don't think so, kids. Maybe I just won't go out tonight. I don't want to ruin the dance by bumping into everyone. I even bought this spiffy suit. Wait, could you make me something to help me dance? Oh, you're great at making stuff.
We'd love to. Follow us to the Rivet Lab, Mr. Higgins. We'll have you dancing in no time.
I'm okay. I'm not sure about this. What am I supposed to do again?
This invention will teach you to dance. Just let the chords move you around. That way, you'll get used to the dance steps, and then you can do them on your own.
He's ready to move and groove.
Let the boogieing begin. First, let's try something simple. Okay, you try it.
I did it!
Now let's try something a bit harder.
Yeah!
Your turn.
Ooh, yeah! I've got the move! Now the moves have got me! Stop! I'm gonna pull something!
Dancing overload! Shut down the dancing! Oops.
Okay, that invention still needs a little work.
We'll figure out another way to help you.
It's no use. I'll never learn to dance by tonight. I wish I hadn't bought this expensive yet stylish suit.
Your suit! That's it! We'll turn it into a dancing suit!
Yeah, then it can do the dancing for you. Let's combine it
And design it! We'll start with Mr. Higgins' suit.
Then add a microphone to pick up the music the suit can dance to.
And finally, we'll add sensors to control Mr. Higgins' arms and legs. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, Rustify. suit 1979. It picks up music and makes you dance to it.
Get ready to boogie down, Mr. H.
Can it really turn me into a dancer?
Only one way to find out. Hit it, Claw! It's working!
Groovy!
Shake it!
Go, Mr. Higgins!
Oh, look at me! I love this suit. Now I can go to the dance. Oh, thanks, Rusty and Ruby. Go, Higgins! Go, Higgins!
Where are those noises coming from?
What's happening?
The sensor on the microphone must be set too high.
Oh.
It picked up the construction noises. I'll stop you with my grappling hook.
Oh, thank goodness. Whoa, maybe not. Limbo! Oh, God! That was fun.
Don't worry, Mr. Higgins. I'll turn off the power switch on the back of the suit.
Whoa! Oh, no! Well, that was bad timing. I need a break. Help!
Mr. Higgins!
Wait for us!
Please stop this suit. I don't want to dance with a truck.
We're coming!
No more! No more! Make it stop! Oh, great. Seagulls. Oh, where is this suit taking me?
We can't get close enough to turn it off.
And he's dancing right out of town.
Ah!
We'll never get him back in time for the dance.
Wait, town square is set up for the dance. With giant, super loud speakers. We can lead him back by playing music from them. Then we'll shut off the suit.
But he's too far away to hear them. Unless... Botasaur, we need you at town square.
And bring the songster speaker 8000. I turbocharge the speakers for maximum volume.
Perfect. I'll fly out, find Mr. Higgins, and blast music from them. Then Mr. Higgins will follow the music right back here.
And we'll shut off the suit. But hurry! The dance is about to begin.
Birdies! Ah! Cliff! Sit, birds! Stay, birds! Stop, birds! Help!
We'll save you, Mr. Higgins!
Rusty! Oh, yay! Yeah!
We got him!
So tired! Someone get this suit off me!
I'm on it, Mr. Higgins. Play something slow, Rusty.
Wow! I didn't even know my hips could do this. Oh.
There! I turned the suit off.
Oh! Phew! Thank you. I must have done every dance there is in the world.
The sensor on the microphone was set too high, but I'm dialing it down, so it won't happen again.
Well, at least I know this suit can make me dance like a pro. Now I don't have to stay home tonight.
Wait, you want to keep wearing the suit?
You're not too tired for the dance?
Not after I finally found my groove.
All right, then let's get this party started.
Look at me go!
Wow!
Because of you two, I can really dance now.
All right on!
And you won't crash into any boxes.
Okay. Actually, Mr. Higgins, your suit isn't turned on. You're dancing on your own.
What? Really? The suit isn't dancing? I am?
Yep.
I can dance after all! Yippee!
See? I knew you could dance. You just needed to relax and believe in yourself.
Yeah! All right! Everyone do the Higgins! Whoop, whoop.
Rusty, be good. Ruby, could you give me a hand?
Here you go.
Thanks. That should do it. The Parts Finder 2000 is ready for action. You name it, the Finder will find it.
What part should we find first?
How about a truck wheel? Wait, too easy. Parts Finder 2000, find a truck wheel with a sparkly purple hubcap on it.
Find a truck wheel with a sparkly purple hubcap.
Whoa, it works!
Ah! Bee! Bee, 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 bee. Liam, that's a Sparkton bee. She won't bother you if you don't bug her first.
In fact, I think she likes you.
Aw, you are kind of cute. Let's be friends. Deal, Beatrice? Where do you live, Beatrice? Cool. You live on top of our junk pile.
Hi, neighbors.
It says here Sparkton bees like to build their hives high up, where it's safe. I'm glad you could find a safe place to live in Rusty's yard.
Find a safe.
The Parts Finder thinks you asked it to find a safe.
Find a safe. Find a safe.
And I just said it again.
Find a safe. Find a safe.
Stop!
Find a safe. Find a safe. Find a safe.
That was close. Oh, I messed up your house, Beatrice. It's okay, Liam. I don't think our hive home is broken.
But the bees don't know that. They're leaving.
They're heading toward the city. Oh, that can't be good.
Don't worry. We'll get your bee friends back. I promise.
Yeah, Rusty can fix any problem.
You guys look for a nice, new, safer place to put the hive. Time to bolt.
Freeze, bees!
That's weird. Why would they want to go in a mailbox?
They're probably looking for a home.
Wait! Mr. Higgins, don't open!
Phew, that was close.
The poor Sparkton bees are so confused. They don't know where to go.
Or that they're causing lots of trouble. How can we get them to follow us back to their hive?
Here, bees, come to Ruby. Come here, bees, bees, bees. Here, bees.
It's working! Never mind. The problem is we don't sound like bees. Buzz.
What else goes bzzz? Whirly, her propeller sounds like a bee. Whirly, we need your help. This seems like a nice, safe place for your home. Don't you think, Beatrice? Oh, no! back. I guess we should find another spot. All right, Whirly. We have to get the bee buzz just right, or they won't think you're a bee and follow you.
Repeat after me, Whirly. Bzz, 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 bzz.
That sounds like the bees.
Okay, Whirly, bring our bee buddies home. I don't get it. Whirly sounds just like them.
But she doesn't look like them. I guess they figured out she wasn't a real bee. We need to find another way to get the bees back to their hive, right?
Yeah, and fast.
The bees are staying by those flowers.
They must like them.
Yep, they like them because they eat their nectar. Maybe they're hungry and they would follow us if we had lots and lots of flowers.
But how can we find that many flowers?
Wait, find.
The Parts Finder 2000!
That seems like a nice, safe place for your hive. Don't you think, Beatrice? Maybe just a tad higher.
Got it, Liam! Up high was a good idea, Liam, but I think we need to put the hive somewhere no one goes, and on something that doesn't move.
Okay. And we need it there soon. We're going to have your bee friends back in no time, Beatrice.
Parts Finder 2000, find flowers.
Find flowers. Find flowers.
The bees are going to love these.
It's working! Woohoo!
Not a flower, not a flower. I think we have enough now.
You can say that again. But why aren't the bees coming?
Maybe they can't see the flowers.
No, but they can smell them with a little help from Whirly.
Okay, Whirly, blow!
Smell those yummy flowers. That's right, bees. It's snack time.
Now let's get them back to the yard.
You're almost home, bees. Rusty, look!
Oh no, they're heading back to the city. What happened?
I don't know. Bees stop eating when they're full and go back to their hive. Only they still don't know where it is.
What kind of bee is that?
That's the queen bee, the biggest one. Where she goes, the others follow.
Okay, one super bee-normous queen bee coming up. Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with the Parts Finder 2000.
Then we'll make it act like a bee with the behavior modifier chip and sound like one too.
And then we'll add wings from the Rescue-matic Power Plane 9000 so it can fly. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, Rustify. The Robo Queen 4000B. Thanks, buddy.
We have to get the bees out of town. They need their real home back. I'll find someplace safe for it. I promise.
Okay. Time to buzz off.
Here, bees.
Follow your new queen. It's working.
And it's a beautiful sight.
I hope Liam's found a safe place for the beehive. We're almost there.
Okay, if I were a bee, where would I want to live? Buzz, 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 buzz. That's it! Hey, guys! I found a spot! Yes! Bees do like to live in the hollows of trees. Great thinking, Liam!
Jack, put the beehive in the tree. We'll lure the bees to it. That's right, bees. It's your hive, sweet hive. You're welcome, Beatrice.
We're happy we could help. Yeah, and you can come visit anytime, neighbor. We did it! We got our bee friends back and found a new safe place for them to live.
Only because of all the cool stuff you knew about bees. They're pretty amazing.
Yeah, they are. Right, Liam? Liam? Buzz, buzz, buzz. I'm not Liam. I'm Bee Liam. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Robo Rusty. Tag, you're it.
Morning, guys.
Oh, hi, Ruby.
Rusty, are you ready to go rustify the playground? I'm so excited. It will probably have rockets on the swings by the time you're done.
Oh, no. I forgot that was today. Can it wait until later? Botasaur and I are playing the best game of tag ever.
But lots of kids are already waiting there to see all the cool things you'll do.
It's just, we're having so much fun.
But only you can rustify the playground.
I know, big guy. Don't worry. I'll be back soon. Aww.
That's so sad. Too bad there aren't two of you.
Wait a second. Maybe there can be.
What? Really?
I think I know how to make two Rusties.
Awesome!
Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with an old moon buggy
Of course it'll need a body.
and lots of tools. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, Rustify. Introducing Robo Rusty. Woohoo! Hello, Rusty. Hello, Rusty. We're like twins. See, Ruby? Two Rusties. Problem solved.
Robo Rusty does seem pretty awesome.
Let's kick this into gear.
Cool!
He's super cool. And since he's just like me, he should have no problem rustifying the playground at the park. Right, Robo Rusty? You bet your strobe it.
All right. This might actually work. Come on, Robo Rusty.
Time to bolt. Okay, big guy. I've got a perfect new game for us to play. But first, I've got to build it.
Where's Rusty? This is Rusty. Robo Rusty.
You bet your drill bit.
Whoa. Huh? Don't worry. He's just like Rusty, only shinier. Okay, Robo Rusty. There's the playground. Can you rustify it? You know, make it more fun.
Modify, customize, rustify.
What?
Rustify, rustify,
Oh boy, that can't be good.
rustify, rustify, rustify. Where's he going?
Waves! Robo Rusty, bring the playground back!
There, presenting the Mobile Bone 9000. Perfect for the best game of fetch ever. Get it, boy! Hours of fun. Rusty's glove. This is Rusty.
Rusty, there's something wrong with Robo Rusty.
Oh, are his wheels sticking? I was worried about that. Try...
No, it's a bigger problem than that. He picked up the entire playground and ran away with it.
Okay. Be right there. Keep playing. I'll be back. Whoa! There's no playground at the playground.
Whew, this is bad. Very, very, very bad.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can fix this. I'll just call Robo Rusty and tell him to come back. Robo Rusty, this is real Rusty. Come in. Hi, me. So, what exactly were you doing over there?
And where's the playground?
Let's kick this into gear.
Which means...
I think we're about to find out. Uh-oh.
He turned the playground into a giant robot.
That's not exactly how I would have rustified that... What do you even call that? Playground improvement 5,000. Awesome, right? Dudes.
Where's it going? Sorry about that.
Sorry.
You're welcome. It just keeps going.
We've got to stop it.
And before it causes more big problems.
I got this, Ruby.
Go, Rusty!
Help! It's too big and powerful. I can't stop it alone.
I'm coming! Help! Liam! What are you doing in there? Well, I was taking a nap, but then the place had turned into a giant robot. Wait a minute. This must be a dream. And it's awesome! Go, giant playground robot! Woohoo!
It's not working.
We're not strong enough to stop it. New plan! New plan! It's stomping away with Liam.
Okay, Ruby, I've got a new plan. You grab a trampoline. That'll be for Liam.
I'm on it.
And Robo Rusty, I need your help. It's time to stop a playground. Let's combine it and design it. Time to bolt and get some gears turning. Robo Rusty, you can use my multi-tool to clamp onto the Playground Improvement 5000. You bet your drill bit. With With your added robot strength, we'll be strong enough to stop it together.
Together, we're strong. Enough. Okay, I've got the trampoline. Now what?
Here's the plan. Robo Rusty and I are going to stop the PI 5000 with my grappling hook. And when we do, you move in with the trampoline and get Liam down. Time to bolt.
Let's kick this into gear.
Yes!
Whoa! Rusty is a robot now. This is the weirdest dream ever.
Launch grappling hook, Robo Rusty. It's slowing. Stopped. Ruby, trampoline.
Liam, go down the slide. We'll catch you on the trampoline. Slide? Trampoline? Sure, why not? It's a dream. Whoa! Quick, Liam. It's okay. I'm here. Okay. Whee! Rusty, I got him.
Okay, Robo Rusty. Pull!
Woohoo! Best dream ever. Liam, this isn't a dream. It's really happening. It's real? That's awesome!
We did it!
Woo-hoo, we did it!
And now we can Rustify the playground the right way. And this time I'll be here to do it with you. Like I should have in the first place.
Let's kick it into gear. Presenting the Playground Improvement 500.
With new super sliding action and rocket-powered swings. Try it, everyone!
I think they like it. The Rustified Playground is a hit.
You mean the Rustified and Robo Rustified playground. Nice work, Robo Rusty. Give it 5.
Woo-hoo.